I don't know what I did for those, I don't know, 20 years before Azad was born. My life is so full now. I feel so thankful and so humbled by.
I now invite the one and only Mr. Amir Khan. He's the epitome of integrity, intelligence, commitment, perfection. He was honored by the Government of India with the Padma Shri in 2003 and Padma Bhushan in 2010. Mr. Khan, you are foremost a humanitarian, a great thinker, and an exemplary human being. The stage is yours.
Thank you so much. Wishing all of you a very happy Independence Day. I'm certainly feeling that this is one thing I'd like to talk about, but not without Kiran. So can you join me, Kiran? On stage, please. We can speak together about this. It's such a joy to have a child in your life. It's something that really changes your life. I remember my mother used to tell me when I was a kid that when you're a parent, then you will realize what it is to be like a parent. And I used to always wonder, what is she saying? I mean, what can be so different? But she was so right. When I had my first child, Junaid, it just changed me, it just changed my life. And there are so many parents out there, so many people out there, so many even single parents out there who are unable to have a child. And the fact that Dr. Firoza and Jaslok is able to give this joy to so many people out there is really wonderful. I think they've really changed the lives of so many people, and I really thank them for that.
Yeah, actually, I was telling Amir as we were on our way here, I don't know what I did for those, 20 years before Azad was born. My life is so full now. I feel so thankful and so humbled by the joy and the complete, the completeness that he makes me feel. And really, none of it would have been possible without Firoza. We had a lot of trouble having a child, trying to have a child.
Wait for 10 years more.
And I really didn't think it would be possible to have a baby. And then, of course, angelically, Firoza appeared and found this way for us. So there are no words to thank her. And as Farah said, we wake up every morning blessing her and thanking her. And this center is going to be that place of hope for so many parents who want to have children. We thank you, Firoza. We thank Jaslok Hospital for bringing it to Mumbai, for giving us a center like this. And I think you said international, so I'm assuming you're going to spread your wings outside of India. Firoza has done this selflessly for so many years, whether it's working in Kashmir, working for poor women in India, in Bombay. She has done it with the love and passion of someone who does it as a vocation and not a profession. And I think she deserves a really, not just like a standing ovation for the work she's done, really. Cheers for Firoza.
Of course, Azad was born because of Firoza and her help that she brought in. But my relationship with Jaslok is even older than that, because both my children, earlier children, Junaid and Ira, were both born in Jaslok Hospital with Dr. Mansukani. So I'm missing her today. I wish she was here. But just to complete, I think we'd both like to wish Jaslok Fertile Tree all the very best. And once again, we thank Firoza and Jaslok for bringing such joy into our lives and offering the same joy to so many people. Thank you so much and all the very best.
Thank you.
There's one more thing I want to say. I want to talk about Tushar. I think, Tushar, what you've done is really amazing. The courage that you have shown, the dignity that you've shown, the grace that you've shown is really something that will affect a lot of people in a very positive way, and really, again, in your own actions, you'll bring a joy to a lot of people's lives. Thank you.